This is a 2 BHK sample unit video. So entering the house, you see this is a living room of 135 square feet, which is 13 by 10, 13 5 by 10, which is 135 square feet living room. So if you look at this pillar won't be a part of your residence, since it's a part of the sales office. Since it is a part of the sales office, it won't be in your house. So this pillar is not a part of your residence. It is just because it's a part of the sales office. We cannot remove this pillar. The balcony size will remain the same. A proper bigger size balcony that we are offering you over here. Which is, you can say, approximately 2 feet. Then comes as your kitchen. L-shaped platform kitchen is what we are offering you, with the washing machine space in the kitchen over here. Coming to you with Jaguar fittings and proper Kohler fittings. This is not a part of your residence. This is just a demo that in future, if you want to put up furniture or something like that, or wardrobes, this is how it will look like. This is the refrigerator area which comes in fit. Going ahead, this is your common washroom in the 2 BHK, coming to you with proper Jaguar and Kohler fittings. These are more of you can say proper low on maintenance tiles. So these are, if you can say, these are not glossy white. These are proper low on maintenance gray white tiles. So these are also mixed with granite. So in future, if you are, this will have a good long span of lifespan. So you won't have to maintain this every month, putting detergents and bleaches. These are one flash washes. Just put a water and it will flash off. This is your first bedroom of 100 square feet, which is 10 by 10. So it makes it to 100 square feet bedroom. Proper big bedroom sizes is what we are offering you over here, with your wardrobe space inside the wall. So again, 2 feet in length and almost the size of a wardrobe. So again, a proper big size bedroom is what we are offering you of 100 square feet. Over here, you won't be getting balcony. You will be getting full size standing windows. So you can see this railing. So that's the end. So you can say full size standing windows is what we are offering you, but not a balcony. Balcony is only in your living room. So entering your second bedroom, this is your 110 square feet bedroom, which is 10 by 10.7, coming to you with 2 wardrobe spaces. So this is bigger than the normal bedroom. So this is more than bigger than the other one. You get proper vitrified tiles over here. Again, you get full size standing windows in the second bedroom as well. You get a separate, you can say, private washroom in the second bedroom. Same concept, same size. Everything remains the same. So this is a perfect 567 carpet 2 BHK with two bigger bedrooms of 100 square feet plus. Coming to you with proper dining space in the hall, proper furniture space. Even if, for example, if this dining part is not there, and considering this pillar not to be there, you can still put up a L-shaped furniture over here with the television moving over here. So you can say a perfect living room is what we are offering you, and you can move this dining table over here. This furniture can be moved over here. Thank you.